about that again because my car's just filled up. So, morning guys, how you doing? Hope you're all okay. Hope you're all coping okay with being stuck indoors and all of that. Anyways, I'm going to speak quietly because it's only about 6 in the morning and I'm in my back garden. So, welcome to my back garden. And what I thought I'd do today is a video from my back garden. As I can't get out and all of that, I'm in the privileged position, I suppose, where we've got a lovely outlook. We've got some fields, woods, and the sun sets over to the west there. The sun's rising behind me at the minute, but you know, I'm not interested in that today. So that's the plan. Yeah, so I'm going to take some now. We've got a lovely frost as well, so I'm just waiting for the sun just to pop around just to light that up a bit. That'd be lovely. And yeah, it's cold. It's cold. So what the image I've got, or the image I'll be taking today, is, so looking west, you've got this tree just to the left, which is kind of framing the house in the background, and you've got the woods just leading away from it. And there's a water tower as well. I'm not sure whether that's in the frame or not. Let's have a little look. No, it's not in the frame on the. I've got the zoom lens on at the minute, just to kind of zoom in on the background. But I've also taken some with the 50mm and some with the wide angle. When I put the wide angle on, that'll be fine. That'll show the water tower. But yeah, I just thought I'd do something a little bit different. You know, it's not a particularly spectacular image, but at night, you know, Margaret's always saying to me, why don't you get a picture of those sunsets behind the trees there? And it does look really lovely. So I thought, well, okay, well, it'll make for something, won't it? So what it does, when the sun drops behind the trees, you get this lovely silhouette against the background of the sunset, and it does look really nice. So that's the plan today, but what I'm hoping, I've got some nice cloud behind me now, but at 6 o'clock tonight we'll have any cloud, or it'll just be blue sky. We'll have to wait and see. So anyways, I'm just going to reel off a couple more shots as the sun's coming up, and then I'll come back, I don't know, a bit later on to that today, and then again at sunset. But later on in the evening, what you get also on the field, you get the shadows on the field there. That looks really nice as well, so possibly I might get something a little bit different there as well. So I'm hoping for some quite interesting shots. You know, not really spectacular, but it's better than nothing. So I've waffled on a bit now, so yeah, I'll catch you later. Hopefully when it's warmer. Okay guys, well, the sun is just coming up now, and it's just starting to light up the tree and the fields. I'm starting to get a few shadows now on the field, and it's just bringing out the colour of the frost as well. So yeah, all looking good at the minute. Yeah, if everybody is interested, I'm typical ISO 100. I'm on f11, try and get it sharp all the way through, and about 6 for a second. So yeah, looking good. Anyway guys, you're all coping with this staying indoors. It's really frustrating. You know, it's really hard when you're used to going outside, but also it's necessary. You know, we've got to do our bit to keep the hospitals and the NHS staff sort of functioning properly. It's really awful times we're living in, isn't it? You know, we have sort of freedom taken away from us, and you know, always anxious and worried about what's going on. Yeah, it's scary times at the minute. But hopefully, you know, they're on top of it all, and you know, keep it under control to best we can. As long as people take notice and listen and do what the government's asking us to do, hopefully we'll be alright. But yeah, it's not great. Honestly, I take my hat off to the NHS staff at the minute. I watched a video on the news of this nurse, and she's petrified going to work. Can you imagine that, being so scared that you might catch something and possibly lose your life just trying to help other people? You know, I mean, they're all heroes, honestly. You know, and you get these idiots going out mixing and stuff like that, you know, just not listening, are they? I mean, come on, you know, let's all pull together through this. We've got to work together to get rid of this virus. It's horrible. Well guys, this is the life, innit? At home, cup of tea, doing a video. Well, it's about 1:30 now, so the sun's right up, as you can probably see my face. And I've just taken some more shots again with all 3 lenses. Got the zoom lens, 50mm and the wide angle. And yeah, it all looks pretty good. So wind's got off a bit, still got a little bit of a nip in the wind, but overall, really nice day. So anyways, yeah, looking forward to this evening. Still got a bit of cloud around, so everything's looking promising for tonight. So I'll leave it there, and then I'll catch you this evening. Okay guys, so I could get used to this kind of vlogging. Just had my tea, stepped outside, and here I am chatting to you guys. Got a beer in my hand. Superb. Anyways, sun's dropping quite quickly now. It's about 10 minutes away or so, sunset. And fingers crossed, got some cloud, got some sun. So yeah, hopefully all boding well. It's looking all set to be a really good sunset. But like, you know, you never know, do you? You hope it is, but it's not always the case. Got some nice shadows on the field now. It's got me 72, so it's 75 to 300 on the thing, just to kind of get right up at the back there. But yeah, all looking good at the minute. Oh, cheers. Yeah, filter wise, at the minute I've just got the polarizer on, but I suspect if the sky does turn red and pink and that, I should probably put a grad on. It really kind of brings the colours out. Still a bit touch and go with this sunset at the minute. Probably got another, I don't know, 5 minutes looking at it, and none of the clouds are lighting up yet. There's a bit of colour behind me. Yeah, just had a couple of deer down in the field there. I think I managed to get a bit on video. We get quite a lot of deer around here. The other day in the field just up there, I reckon there was probably 25, 30 deer. You know, some big ones with the old antlers and everything like that. A lot of deer around in Dorset, mainly like seeker deer. And yeah, so it's not uncommon to see them. But when we first moved here, it was about 6 years ago, there used to be a badger's nest. They used to come up to next door's garden and get the bird food out the lawn. But then farmers put these fencing around the outside, and since then we've not really seen them. We do see foxes, we see quite a lot of wildlife. So I said that barn owl this morning, that's the first time I've seen that. And quite often you hear them. like the little tawny owls. Yeah, Jay's nested over there. Yeah, so there's a lot of wildlife around here. Really fortunate, really. So you've got a lot of silhouette, and you've got a nice orange tinge just on the top there with a little bit of blue and the cloud above it. I really want that cloud above it to kick off. That'd be awesome. Getting a lot of colour at the minute. A bit disappointing. I've waited all day for that. Well, it's all starting to happen now because that sky is turning a lovely golden colour. Heading into the blue hour now. Sun's right down now. We're obviously projecting all its light up into the sky. Got lovely pinks behind me, and just in front of me they're kind of like that lovely dappled golden colour. So yeah, how long it's going to last I don't know, so I'm just going to keep firing away here. But I've got this beautiful scene before me, and Margaret's right, you know, it is beautiful. You've got these silhouettes of the trees with the gold and the sort of, I don't know what colour it would be, sort of like a amber red colour, I suppose. But beautiful, beautiful. This is right on the doorstep, right out of the back garden. The day's finishing as it started off. Dawn chorus this morning, and now I've got the birds singing just before they go off to what the birds do at night, into the hedges for sleep, I suppose. I don't know. Nature's orchestra, this is beautiful. They're absolutely beautiful. Listen to them. Yeah, the guy who's really into his nature, another fellow YouTuber, Simon Booth, superb photographer, absolutely awesome. Great videos, but he knows so much about nature. He knows all the plants, bird songs, all that kind of stuff. Probably already seen his videos because he's quite a big following, but if you haven't, check him out, Simon Booth. He don't put lots of videos out, but what he does is superb. Yeah, going back to the sunset, last night was superb. Really dark reds and purples, you know, those kind of sunsets that really pop out and go pow. And today I've been satisfied with it, I have to be honest. You know, at the end I was sort of expecting a lot, but it did come out a nice kind of orangey golden colour. But compared to yesterday, yeah, this is it's a bit of a shame really, but there you go. It's always the way, isn't it? But, yeah, I'm glad I came out today. But what I've done now, I've just swapped around into a portrait position, so you've got the tree, and the trees in the background, all still silhouetted, but above it, you've got this beautiful, it's all kind of blends in together. It kind of, I don't know, I can't explain it. It's like framing, it's adding to the frame of the image. You've got the orange of the cloud at the top, which blends down into the tree, and then the bottom you've got the silhouette, and you've got this lovely blue in the middle there. It's actually a really, really nice shot. I'm loving it. What I'm going to do now is, like, while you can still see me, because it's getting dark, you won't be able to see me much longer. I'm going to wrap up now, and I've had a really good day today. It's been pretty cool, you know, doing a video from home, and all the luxuries of coffee on hand and having your tea and a beer and all that kind of thing. It's been really good. But yeah, so a bit of a different video. Hope you enjoy it, and hopefully I've got some good images at the end for you. But yeah, I've had everything. I've had barn owls, I've had the deer, I've had the sunrise, the sunset. I was out sort of midday-ish, took a couple of shots then. So yeah, it's a real proper kind of sunrise to sunset shoot. So yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and again, you know, look after yourselves, take care of yourselves, especially at the minute with everything that's going on, and stay safe, you know, and hopefully I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye.